Konnichiwa, Roxanne desu. In this video, I'm showing you everything that I won at the Woodbridge, Virginia round 1. Let's take a look. Alright, I did not win this Pepsi. This came from a Japan crate. But we did win this cool figure for our Demon Slayer. So that is really cool. Check that out. They had another one, but I think that one was set up so you couldn't win, which kind of sucked, but it is what it is, I guess. And we also won Hello Kitty. Cute. Got these 2 bento boxes. This one has a cute dividing thing that slides around so you can change the size, and this one has 2 different sections that stay together. Very nice. Some Swedish fish, but nobody cares about that. We just had some extra points needed to use. We also got this cute guy. Very cute. There was another one, an ice cream cat. I didn't see it until last minute. If I had seen it sooner, I might have, instead of gotten like Swedish fish and of these other random things, I might have gotten it instead. I got a Gengar hat. I used to have a Pikachu hat, but I accidentally left it. So now I got a new one. And some astronaut ice cream, which is cool. That's always fun for kids. And I got this cool cat Inception shirt. So now I can wear it finally, since I finally made this video. Yes, I've been procrastinating. Now for the bigger stuff. Here we go. We got this guy, Radakuma, and a little cat thing. They had a clear file that matched it. It's in the other video. We showed it. But I don't know what to do with clear files. I don't know why Japan loves them so much. But here he is. Oh, so cute. We also got this adorable guy. The little flying monkey. He is adorable. Almost to the end here. Uh-oh. I broke my mount. Gotta get a new one. And we won this guy. He's really cute. We tried to win a second one. That didn't go well. Guess we were only meant to win 1. But he's so cute. So this isn't as much as we normally win. 1, because we got obsessed with trying to win another one of these for my niece. And also, they also didn't have as much cute stuff. Like they had the big chin stuff, which back in 2019 was popular in Japan, and I guess has made it to round 1 here now. And I'm not really into the big chin stuff. So yeah, and figure wise, there was only 2 figures worth winning. The one in Exton, the round 1 in Exton, usually has a lot more stuff than that. Hopefully they still do. I'm sure at some point we'll make a trip out there, but not anytime soon, because we're going to Vegas again, so we have to save money for that. And yeah, so that's everything that we won at round 1 at Potomac Mills. So if you're wondering what kind of stuff they have, watch my other video. We showed pretty much everything that's in the store and that's in the crane games. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. じゃあまたね。